Extensive impact damage. Surface grime consistent with extended exposure. Significant rust on the frame.
I'm at the scene. It's the gray supercar, pretty trashed. Initiating recovery now.
Copy that. Stand by.
All right, bring it in nice and slow. Ramp down. Let's get these straps off. Careful with the dolly, she's heavy. Extensive mud and rust damage here.
Note the scratches near the windshield.
Uploading photos of the wheel damage. We need a full decontamination and rust treatment. Watch this. Perfect. Nice.
This ceramic coating creates an incredibly sleek, wet look finish, enhancing the depth of the paint.
Yes, we did it. Unbelievable work, team. Couldn't have done it without you all.
All right,
Absolutely
fellas,
stunning.
look at this. It's a beauty.
We really outdid ourselves.
Couldn't have done it without the team.
To the team.